In this quick presentation, we'll be discussing obtaining life insurance with hepatitis C. My name is Jeff Root, and I'm with Root Financial, and our agency has found affordable rates for dozens of our clients who have hepatitis C. In almost all of these cases, they'd try to get life insurance elsewhere but were declined, and that's because their agent just used the wrong company and lacked experience in presenting hepatitis C to underwriters. It really takes an experienced agency to secure this coverage, and we'll show you in this presentation exactly what that entails. Obtaining life insurance with hepatitis C comes down to two key factors. One is how much damage has the liver sustained, and two, is your hepatitis C in remission? The best life insurance rates will come to those who have demonstrated a sustained remission with minor or no damage to the liver. In these cases, standard life insurance rates are achievable. But for those whose hepatitis C is showing minor symptoms and minor liver damage, you will be considered a substandard risk, but you're still insurable. In these cases, to get the most favorable rate, having a recent liver biopsy that shows only minor liver damage will help your rates tremendously. A liver biopsy within the last 5 years will suffice, although the more recent the better, and this isn't required to get favorable rates. It's just we've seen our best offers from those who have gone to the lengths of getting a liver biopsy. Next thing we'll talk about is the information we need to know about your hepatitis C. One, will need to know when you were diagnosed. We'll need to know the type, if it's acute viral, chronic persistent, or chronic active hepatitis C. We'll need to know your current liver enzymes, and if you don't know them, we'll need to know if they're under control. The life insurance company will test for them in the medical exam, so knowing those beforehand will help. We'll need to know your medications. If you've taken interferon or ribavirin, we'll need to know the frequency and how long you took it, and also when you stopped taking it. We'll need to know if you consume any alcohol and the details regarding that. We'll need to know the studies that you've done to diagnose or treat the condition. If there was a liver biopsy done, that's ideal, but we can also use CT scans or MRIs, and we'll need to know those results as well. If you have a copy of them, that would be fantastic. That's ideal. We'll also need to know frequency your physician monitors your hepatitis C. Life insurance underwriters love it when you're on top of it. When you're regularly going to your physician and demonstrating, active control of your hepatitis C, that's a good thing. So if you have that, we want to make sure we detail that. And also any other health issues besides your hepatitis C. It's important to have all this information when contacting your agent, because armed with these details, we'll be able to find the company that will give you the most favorable rate. If an agent doesn't ask you these questions, then choose another one. They'll simply be guessing your rate. Can't stress that enough. So why should you use Root Financial? There's a ton of agencies out there. One is our experience in underwriting hepatitis C. We have all the resources it takes to find the most affordable life insurance rates. We've helped dozens of people just like yourself find coverage and know which companies have the most aggressive underwriting when it comes to hepatitis C. Since 2005, we've been building relationships with underwriters. We know exactly how each company stands with hepatitis C, and we've built our proprietary database around it. We would never have you apply to a life insurance company if we didn't do our due diligence up front. It would be a waste of your time and a waste of ours. So what do we do that no one else does? What separates us from our competition? Well, first, we verify your rates in writing before you apply. We'll take the information we showed you on the previous screen and send it anonymously to the life insurance companies that are most aggressive with hepatitis C. Once we receive replies from all of them, we'll present you the best rate. The great thing about doing this is that we can attach this to your application. This is considered a tentative offer, meaning as long as you were detailed and truthful when giving us your information, and the life insurance company doesn't find anything else, this is the rate they have to offer. Let me repeat that. They have to offer that rate. So we're getting pre-approvals and submitting them with the application. Nobody else is doing that. You know, it takes a lot of time on our end to do something like that. It takes time to get that information. It takes time to send it off to the carriers. And a lot of agencies just aren't willing to spend the time. We are. So another task most agencies aren't doing is drafting a cover letter. You know, a cover letter paints a picture of your risk to an underwriter. You know, like why you want this life insurance and how important this coverage is for your family or your business. You know, we'll detail your hepatitis C in the cover letter in the most favorable light to influence the underwriter. Underwriters love reading these cover letters. It gives the underwriter an emotional attachment rather than them just looking at an application, looking at a lab slip, and medical records. You know, it's helped extremely in getting favorable underwriting conditions for our hepatitis C clients. And finally, don't let previous declines make you think you can't secure life insurance at affordable rates. You are insurable, and we have options for every stage of hepatitis C. Most of our hepatitis C clients were referred to us by other life insurance agencies because of our favorable results. Our experience in underwriting hepatitis C, combined with our relationships with over 60 life insurance carriers, puts us on the cutting edge of hepatitis C underwriting. To go even further and obtain a tentative offer in writing and then draft a cover letter, you know, makes us head and shoulders better than our competition. And that's why people who have been declined life insurance because of their hepatitis C come to us. If you have hepatitis C and are in the market for life insurance, please give us a call. We'll help you find the most affordable life insurance rates on the market. And for more information about us, you can go to www.rootfin.com. Thank you.